Discover the capabilities of bold reports using Docker. Effortlessly incorporate features within minutes, transforming data into compelling visual narratives. The reports deployed with Docker. Follow these steps to deploy and integrate bold reports effectively. To deploy the report server, first, download the Docker Compose file using this command in the documentation. Next, open the downloaded file and add the unlock key by removing the bold services unlock key. Save the file and deploy the report server. Once the deployment is completed, check the installation status. Next, open the browser and enter the URL to open the report server. Next, click Go to Reports to open the report page. Add the already created sample report by clicking Explore, and then add report. You can also create a new report. Add necessary data sources, data sets, and parameters. Add report items. Assign data values. And then publish it. Create a new ASP.NET Core application by running this command. Add the bold reports.aspnet.core and system.data.sql client packages to the core application. Add the necessary scripts, style sheets, and the script manager in the layout.cs HTML page. Next, initialize the report viewer through tag helper in the view imports.cs HTML page. Next, open the index.cs HTML page and add the bold report viewer. Next, set the report service URL, report server URL, and the report path. Then, copy the service authorization token from the report server and set it for the bold report viewer. Now, build and run the ASP.NET Core application. You will see the report rendered from the bold reports report server. Start your bold reports journey and elevate your data visualization skills. Thanks for watching.